Saudi Kabsa. This dish is one of the most popular Saudi rice dishes, cooked with chicken, considered a staple dish throughout the kingdom. Ingredients: serves 3 to 4 person. Preparation: cooking time 30 minutes. Wash, soak and drain rice. Saute onion in oil until they begin to brown. Add chicken pieces. Tomato puree. Chopped tomatoes. Garlic and stir for about 5 minutes over low heat. Grated carrot. Orange rind. Spices. Salt and pepper to taste. Stir in 3 cups of hot water. Cook over medium heat. Cover it and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is cooked. Remove the chicken. Set aside to keep warm. rice into the liquid in the pan. And cook. Cover it over low heat for about 35 to 40 minutes or until liquid is absorbed. Put rice on a serving plate. With chicken pieces arranged around. And then garnish it with fried raisins, almonds and cashews.